Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Bearded Woodworker. I'm Gary Hurd, the Bearded Woodworker. Last week my wife celebrated her 40th birthday, and she got a bunny from Alex and I for her birthday. And the bunny's been living in a tub right now. So it's time to make a hutch for that bunny and give him a proper place to stay. So check it. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so I ran down to my local hardware store and I bought this 1/2-inch mesh. It has a picture of a bunny on it, and it's 2 feet by 5 feet. So I bought about 4 of them. I had a temporary shelf in a place out of this 2x2 material. It happens to be 5 feet long, but it's 21 inches wide. And I'm just going to use this. So the base is already pre-done right now. I'm trying to try to eliminate as much cutting as I can. So I'm just going to start by attaching this mesh to the base. And you want to attach your mesh on the inside of your frames, because bunnies, they need to chew on wood. They need to work on their teeth. And if you expose the wood and put the mesh on the bottom, they're going to chew right through their hutch. So if you put the mesh on top of the wood, that'll stop them from at least chewing the hutch and chewing the wood toys that you put inside. So let's do that. Okay, now that I have the legs cut and I used my tapering jig, some of you guys are probably saying a big no-no on how I was using my tapering jig. Yes, there should be clamps, or I should have screwed it down, but I am really comfortable on my table saw. I'm really comfortable with how close my fingers can get, and I know accidents can happen. So please, you be careful if you decide to try to do it, or just do the right thing and put some clamps on it, or even just screw it down and you can fill those holes later. So anyways, I've got for each of the legs, I have a long piece and I have a short piece, and I think I'm going to put them together like that, so they're tapering together, and then this gives me a place for the hutch to sit on top of, and then I can clamp it all together. So I am going to screw or glue and screw all these legs together. Let's do that next. So if that's the inside this way, tapered's going in, taper needs to go in on the other side, and it needs to go like that. Don't put them all together the same way or it won't work. So technically, I should be able to just screw these on, and then it will be even. So I've made another panel just like the bottom one this time, but this one is 24 inches. So this is the same size as the actual wire mesh. So that's going to be the height. So the bunny has plenty of time if he wants to stand on his hind legs. He's got plenty of height to do that. So this will be the back panel. And then I'm going to put together the side panel where I'm going to sneak in a door. Okay, now we have a doorway. It's looking pretty square. Roger that. Now let's stick some wire on the inside of these little panels, and then we'll make an end panel. So I have these kind of hinges, which are supposed to mount behind, say, like a cabinet panel door. But I'm going to take him, if I can show you, I'm going to flip it all the way around and modify it this way. And I think that's going to work out just fine. It lays a little flatter than it did when I put it on normal. Let's give that a try. Okay, so this is kind of the completed project that I have right now. It's just a little enclosure so he can feel safe and have a place to hide. I eventually want to do some kind of tray on the bottom that's going to catch all the droppings, and we'll be able to slide the tray out and clean it. But right now this is in our throw all, catch all garden room. It's not part of the house, and it could be also be going outside in our greenhouse, so all the droppings will actually fall down to the grass. But for now we're just going to put little popcorn in here, and I've got my son Alex here to help. So we want to grab some hay and we want to put in his water, and then we're going to put the little bunny inside. So thanks, Alex. So we're gonna put a little bit of this hay, and I don't have a top right now. I don't think Bunny's gonna hop out, but if he does, I've got some more of that wiring left that I can put in here. And I'll probably end up building some kind of little feeder that the hay stays in, and the food that he has also stays in. So let's grab the water. Bunny right now has kind of been in a little temporary enclosure. So
here you go, Dad.
Thanks. So this water container came with a clip, and that clip's supposed to go in over here. So I'm going to put the water, I think, way on this side, and we'll stick it in one of the little holes there, and then we'll stick it in like that. Oh, so much better. And then Alex is going to grab popcorn, and I know you guys have been waiting all video to see this cute little bunny popcorn. Get a little closer and show them there. We don't know what kind of bunny this is.
Popcorn. Look at popcorn.
Huh?
Look at popcorn.
Yeah.
I didn't say no.
So, somebody at the pet store said it was a meat bunny. I guess it's just a regular old bunny that we people buy to eat. But we're going to turn him into a pet. So, I'm opening the door, And he's gonna go into his new home for the first time ever. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Watch your tail. Oh, look at that. What do you think, Popcorn? So anyways, I'm not an expert on bunnies or bunny hutches. I've seen a couple of videos, but anyways, this is my version of a bunny hutch. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, maybe got a little something out of it. So thanks for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and see, just like that. And we'll catch you on the next video. I am the Bearded Woodworker. I'm out. Thank you.